Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be looking at Canadian Tire and how to shop online. So let's get started. First of all, what I want you guys to do is go on the top right hand side. You guys will see sign in or register. So if you guys don't have an account already, go ahead and click on register. Once you click on register, you guys will have to put in your email, password, and then just retype your password and click on create account. Once you guys have signed in or created your account, you're ready to go. That's the easiest way to go about this and make your shopping experience much better. So let's just look for anything you guys would like. So right now I just searched up for bar stools. I'm gonna see what's on special. So for example, I like this one. Now let's say you guys want to purchase this one. I can go ahead, take a look at the details, see how many they have in stock, choose my store or just check other stores as well, and then just add it to my cart. Whether you guys are gonna pick up in store or have it shipped out to your home, right down here, you guys can see how much it's gonna cost you. And yes, no matter what the price is, it's always gonna cost you something. So they don't do free shipping if it's above, let's say $40 or $200, it's always gonna cost you. So for most of you, you're gonna want to pick up in store. So right now we're gonna go ahead and add this to our cart. So we can see that we have added this, so we can continue to cart, or we can go ahead and just continue shopping. So let's just continue shopping, and we're gonna look for one more thing. So here's another item that I need. So I'm just gonna add this into my cart. I'm gonna continue shopping. Now let's say you guys have added everything you would like into your shopping cart and there's nothing else. Well, on the top right hand side, you guys will see your cart. So just click on that cart and view full cart. As a tip, what you guys want to do is go into their website during nighttime or really early in the morning. Don't do it throughout the day because that's when too many people might be using the website, and Canadian Tire is not up to date with their website and really can't handle that many people. So it's usually better to shop online at night or during the morning. And a lot of people, what they're doing is also calling the store in order to place anything, and that'll be actually much faster from what I've seen so far. However, if you're like me, you just like to do everything online, this is the way to do it. So at this point in time, we're gonna have to check if we have these two options. So again, we can pick up in store or we can go ahead and ship it to our home. In this case, we're just gonna choose and make sure we have this on, pick up in store, and same goes with our second item. So if you guys have several items, just make sure they all say pick up in store if that's what you want. So the same goes with our second item right down here below. Just make sure it says pick up in store and that's selected if that's what you guys want, or just select ship to home. From there, if you guys scroll down, you should see your summary plus your total. So this is my total for today, and I can see that I have this checkout right down here. Now just make sure this store is the one that you guys want to pick up. You guys can select other stores if this is not the one that you guys want. So we're gonna go ahead and click on checkout. At this point, we're gonna see this message. We just have to confirm that this is in fact the store that we guys want. So we're gonna go ahead and select yes, continue on. Right here, we can choose our payment information. So we can choose whether to pay this way, or we can just choose our MasterPass as well. So you guys can click right here. But if you're all ready, just put in your card number, expiration date, and CVV. If you keep scrolling down, it's gonna ask you for some more of your information. Just make sure to fill that out, which does include your billing information. So down here below, the very last part will be to complete your order. At this point in time, if you guys keep scrolling down just a little bit more, we're gonna see exactly what we're buying once again. We can just go ahead and click on complete order. Right here will be the very last message you guys see, and that's it. You guys can go ahead and provide feedback or just click on not right now. And that's it, you are all done. At this point, we can go ahead and print our order details if you guys want to, or just take a screenshot of this entire page. At this point in time, you guys should have got an email from Canadian Tire telling you to wait, and then they will send you another email telling you when it's ready for pickup. And that's when you guys can actually contact the store. Before that, there's no need to. It will take some time for them to process this order. Anyways, that's it for this video. Make sure to check your email. You need to get those emails from Canadian Tire. That would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.